In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the Squarespace app. The Squarespace app gives you a convenient way to manage important parts of your website directly from your phone or tablet. You can check your site, update content, review activity, and manage selling tools without needing to open a desktop browser. We will walk through the main areas of the app so you know where to go and what each section is used for. To begin, open the Squarespace app on your device. Once the app loads, sign in using your Squarespace account credentials. Make sure you are using the account connected to the website you want to manage. If you are already signed in, the app may take you straight to your dashboard. If you are signing in for the first time, follow the prompts on screen until your account is fully loaded. After you are signed in, you will arrive at your Squarespace dashboard. This is where you can see the websites connected to your account. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to look through the list and select the specific website you want to work on. This matters because any changes you make in the app will apply to the site you choose. Tap the correct website, and the app will open the management area for that site. Once your site is open, you will see a bottom navigation menu. This menu is one of the main ways to move around inside the app. The options usually include Home, Analytics, Selling, and more. Each section focuses on a different part of your website. Home is a general starting point for quick access and updates. Analytics helps you review performance and visitor activity. Selling is where you manage commerce-related tasks. More gives you access to additional website settings and content areas. Start by looking at the Home tab. This is often the first screen you will use when managing your site from the app. On the Home tab, you may see shortcuts, recent activity, or helpful tools depending on your website setup. Look for the plus button, which is usually displayed as a simple plus symbol. This button gives you quick access to common actions. Tap the plus button to see the available quick actions. Depending on your site features, you may be able to add a blog post, create a product, or start an invoice. This is useful when you want to add something new without searching through multiple menus. Choose the option that matches what you want to create, then follow the prompts that appear on screen. The exact fields may vary, but the app will guide you through the process. Next, let us look at editing existing site content. To do that, go to the More tab in the bottom navigation menu. From there, tap Pages. This area lets you access the pages that already exist on your website. Once you are in Pages, choose the page you want to update. You can then edit content such as text or images, depending on how that page is set up. Take your time when making changes and review what appears on screen before saving or applying updates. Now move to the Selling section. If your website includes commerce features, tap Selling in the bottom navigation menu. This section is designed for managing store activity. From here, you can manage inventory, view orders, and access tools for in-person sales if those features are enabled on your site. This is especially helpful if you run a shop and need to check orders or update product details while away from your computer. As you use the app, remember that the bottom navigation menu is your main guide. If you need quick actions, return to Home. If you need site performance information, open Analytics. If you are managing products or orders, use Selling. If you need pages and additional site options, go to More. That covers everything you need to know to start using the Squarespace app.